If you use one PC for everything, you know the friction of digital contamination. You're either constantly logging in and out of Microsoft services, or you're accidentally saving personal photos and documents directly into your company's shared drives. To fix this, we need to configure your Windows PC to run both identities at the same time, but keep them separated by a digital firewall. You need 3 specific things to start: a PC running Windows 11, your corporate login credentials, and your mobile device ready for identity verification. Properly isolating these accounts stops your sign-in tokens from overlapping. This ensures your work applications only access corporate data, while your personal browsing remains private and invisible to company administrators. The process begins in your Windows settings. Open the menu and navigate directly to the Accounts tab. We aren't creating a second Windows user profile. Instead, we snap a work resource module onto your personal account. This allows the OS to recognize your company identity. Go to Access Work or School and click Connect. From here, enter your corporate email. At this point, you'll likely hit a multi-factor authentication, or MFA, prompt. MFA is a security layer that requires you to prove your identity on a second device, in this case by approving a notification on your smartphone's Authenticator app. Once you've authenticated, check your Settings menu. Your work account should now be listed, but your personal account remains the primary login for the device. This OS-level connection serves as the foundation. Because the operating system now trusts your corporate identity, every individual app you open will be able to recognize your permissions automatically. Most sign-in conflicts happen inside the web browser, where different accounts try to fight for control over the same active session. To prevent this, open Microsoft Edge and look for the profile icon in the top right of the toolbar. Click Add Profile and sign in using your work credentials. This setup keeps your work data sandboxed, meaning cookies and history are in a separate container. Your work and personal profiles are completely isolated. You'll now see 2 distinct Edge icons on your taskbar, allowing you to run web apps side by side without login errors. For those managing a high volume of client accounts, you might need even more separation. Tools like Send.Win use advanced browser isolation to manage dozens of different identities without data leaks. These separate profiles act as a firewall. You can now access your company's SharePoint or Teams web apps without the browser ever attempting to use your personal Microsoft credentials. Beyond the browser, we need to organize your desktop apps, specifically Outlook and OneDrive, so they don't mix your data. In the Outlook desktop app, go to File, then Add Account to bring your work inbox into your view. Be careful with the Send As default. When you reply to an email, Outlook may default to your primary account, so always check the From field to ensure you aren't sending work replies from your personal address. Use color categories to make this distinction obvious. Tag your work emails with a specific color so you instantly know which account is active. Physical file storage is the next step. If you mistakenly save a sensitive work document into your personal cloud drive, securing it becomes much harder. Open your Windows File Explorer. You should now see that OneDrive has split your storage into 2 distinct sections. Look for the specific names. One will be OneDrive Personal, and the other will be OneDrive followed by your company's name. By separating these storage directories, you remove the risk of accidentally syncing corporate files to your personal cloud. Your PC is now a dual-purpose machine. You can jump between work and life without ever having to log out of one to access the other. You can use the Alt+Tab shortcut to quickly switch between your personal and work browser windows as you move through your day. In Outlook, you can use Overlay mode to see your personal and work calendars in one view. This lets you check your availability in one glance without actually merging the 2 accounts' data. Properly managing your accounts moves the work of organization away from your memory and into your software. By separating these identities at the root, you reduce the time spent fixing sign-in errors and ensure your files stay exactly where they belong.